What's up? I've got my bag of discs and we're gonna go throw some disc golf a little bit. The weather is perfect and couldn't ask for a better time of the day to go do it. And that is what I'm gonna go do. I've been cooped up in the house all day working, getting that music done. Quite a bit of it, I might add. A lot of it. Some genres of music, or actually a genre of music I was doing a little bit that I'm not good at. I'm not a hip-hop artist by any stretch, but some of it I do with, tension and some of the minimal, the tension type stuff mixed with it, which is huge in TV. Just different genres of music, what they call a hybrid genre, crossing over different types of music for film and TV, and just in general, it's very popular. But anyway, we're gonna go throw us some disc golf, and I brought my little tripod with me, or whatever you want to call it. I keep forgetting what the hell it is holding my camera. But I brought it, my selfie stick. That's what it is. I got a little selfie stick that turns into a little tripod. I don't know if it's really the best made selfie stick. I just got it too long ago. I may have to get another one because it's just not, it's pretty compact, but it's not staying up. When you stand up to make it a tripod, it drops down. So I don't think it was all that well made. I'm guessing it was probably made in China. Who knows? I don't know. It's what everybody guesses. But not much that's made in America anymore, so it probably was. But anyway, I said it before and I'll say it again. I'm so ready to do some traveling this summer. And it looks like we could be getting ourselves back to normal here soon, I'm hoping. Maybe I can get on the road and do a little traveling and start seeing some stuff, doing some things that I've always wanted to do, so that'll be cool. Still waiting on the window for the sliding door. No word on that, but that's coming. As soon as they get it, they gave me a tracking number. But I've got to get the ball rolling for the air conditioning unit. That's another. It's pricey, but I've got to get it done. I'm kind of waiting on someone to do an install video before I buy it. But that's not going to hinder me from buying the air conditioning unit. I don't know if you know, there's two types of 12-volt air conditioners on the market right now. The two ones that are 12-volt on the market that are the best. There are some that go in, they're marine grade, that go in boats. And I still have not been able to get anybody to tell me how that works with water going through it, because if that's the case, I'll set up a water tank and let it recirculate water. And it wouldn't be a mini split, and it would be all, inside. But I've asked questions and emailed people, and no one wants to tell me if it could be done in a van. So, but be it that it may, I know the two best ones that are out there is a company called Cruise and Comfort. I've already mentioned Cruise and Comfort. Cruise and Comfort is out of Phoenix, Arizona. That's the one I'm going with. It's a little mini split unit. The condenser will go on outside on the bottom of the van, and it'll come through, and the evaporator will be inside. It'll actually be under my bed in the storage area. And it's wired 12 volt, and the thermostat will be on the wall. And another one is called King Tech. It's a rooftop model. They say the King Tech's great. It's 12 volt. But the problem is I couldn't put it on the roof because I have solar panels. But second of all, I didn't want one on the roof. It screams obvious RV if I did put one on the roof, and I didn't really want that. Just didn't. Some people are taking those King Techs and monitoring. I can't even talk. They're mounting them on their back door for the window and doing that route, which, yeah, you could, but that's crazy. That's screaming. You live in it too. It takes that stealth ability away from it that I like. So I love the fact that I've got some stealth ability on that. It's a security thing too, which I like as well. So, but anyway, let's go play some disc golf. that I'm at here is a course here in North Charleston, South Carolina, which is a city within Charleston, a city called North Charleston, South Carolina. It's the Park Circle area. They've got a really cool disc golf course, but we've got a bunch of disc golf courses around Charleston. Some I still want to play. I got some friends of mine we play sometimes when we get a chance. I look forward to getting back to that as well. But we have some that are, there's a lot of water, it's very challenging, and some of them have a lot of trees. So I'm gonna definitely have to mark my discs, my name and number for one. But some of these courses, they go diving for them, and they'll probably charge a few bucks to come get it, which is fine. Hey, they took the time to go get it for me and call me. You can't complain on that deal. So I don't know if I'm just gonna play on this hole or walk it, but I think I'm gonna walk it. Let's see how well we do. Watch my form and how bad I suck. Well, that didn't hit the trees. Was not bad. Didn't hit any trees, so we shall see. Oh, me. I'm just sitting here. I'm about to go to sleep. It's late. I'm sitting here watching YouTube videos like crazy. As I said earlier, it's getting a lot of music done here. Busy with a lot of stuff. And getting on it. But as we think about how we'll get started on this, turning this desk into a couch bench with the lows and looking at what I was going to get. It's not going to be much. It's just, how am I going to frame it up and what am I going to do? So I'm working on that. I'm just so ready to, God, hit the road, do some traveling. Getting a lot of stuff done. I think we're going to get there here pretty soon. Getting that itch. But we'll get there. That we will. It'll be so cool. So, just been showing out. About ready to start branching out a little bit here, I swear. I really am. So, as most of you know, I do music full time mostly, but I try to put some time into, when I'm home, I'll go deliver Grubhub a little bit, or I'll go hang out and do some disc golf with my friends. And as you saw me earlier, playing a little disc golf. Not the greatest at it, I suck at it, but I don't like the game of regular golf, so I'd rather do disc golf, throw frisbees. It's just me, I guess. Doesn't cost you any money compared to golf. Golf is an expensive sport. It definitely is, but like I say, I want to I've been cooped up here. I want to get back to getting in the car and maybe doing a little Grubhub, I do that is to try to put some money down to travel with, and usually the spring season, I'm very busy with that, and this year, as we know, it's a little bit different. Not so we'll figure all that out. But get through all this here, and hopefully I can map out my trip of what I want to do. I'd love to maybe cut through New England and go up and cut across. I was thinking about going across Canadian trip. Maybe going up through New England, hitting the Nova Scotia and all those islands up there in Canada, and then going through the big cities like Montreal and Toronto. I've got a buddy of mine that lives between those two cities. I haven't seen him in forever, and stop by and maybe see him. Either I would cut across and go to Vancouver and cut down into the U.S., or dip back down and drive across. We'll see. We shall see. A lot of things to see. I think I mentioned in another video, I read up on something so cool about the I think it was like the 50 coolest small towns in the country, and I think that was just maybe their take on. It was some pretty cool places. Some of them I've been to, some of them were around here, and there's others. It's cool research like that on Google that will really get you a lot of cool places to see. A lot of the smaller places are real cool. I love that. But anyway, I'm going to get my butt off here and hit the sack. And we'll chat at you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. And have a good one. Be cool.